Welcome back to News 4 Great Day. We are excited to bring Lakeside Renovation and Design onto Great Day as a home sponsor. So we thought it would be a good idea to introduce them to you this morning. I want you to welcome owner Matt Merrifield. He's on the show with us, and you've probably seen his face before talking about all of the services that are available at Lakeside. Good morning, Matt.
Hey, good morning, Kent. How are you?
I'm well, and I know you've been in this business a long time. What keeps you passionate? What keeps you going about it?
Tell you what, our people that work here, we have 105 employees now, just continuing to grow, continuing to create opportunity for those guys and really servicing our customers.
Yeah.
Those are the two things that I'm very passionate about.
And it's working for you. And you mentioned the 105 employees. I know you've had a lot of changes there lately, right? Tell me about those.
We have. So over the years, we've been in business actually 24 years now. Over the years, we did siding and windows, and a lot of our customers always asking us to do more for them. We do such a good job of servicing our customers, even years after. So we got into not only doing kitchens and bathrooms, but room additions and rear porches, front porches. Yeah, we're doing a lot of that right now.
That's awesome. And it is that time of year, so you'll want to call Lakeside as soon as possible. Get on the schedule because it's a busy time of year for home improvement. Matt, thanks so much. And again, welcome to the show. We're glad you're here. We look forward to working with you to help our viewers find the best solutions for their home. You can get more information on Lakeside Renovation and Design by calling 636-978-5000 or find them on the web at lakesiderd.com.